Hey guys, welcome to the LED Audi emblem video. I'm going to show you how to install these onto a B7 A4 grill. Specifically, I have an aftermarket one that I made myself. Kind of cut it up so it's honeycomb, but this should work for the most part for anyone. I'll put the size of these rings on the screen as I don't remember them right now. I'll do it in post editing, whatever. But basically, we need to drill a small hole right at the base of the Audi emblem thing, as we need to have somewhere to run the wires. So we're going to do that right now. As you can see, I have drilled a hole there and we've lined it up in the middle. It comes through there. We have two brackets holding on the Audi emblem. Now we're going to zip tie this wire from the right to the left. We're going to follow what's existing. And then I'm going to splice probably somewhere into this harness. I'm going to splice this in. Now that we have it actually routed over here, I've taken apart one of the fog light cables, and you can see this one's white and green on the driver's side, and then the brown is the negative, so white and green is going to be positive. On the passenger side, the actual cable is going to be blue and white instead of green and white. So on this one, obviously red being positive, I don't know if it matters, but I'm going to do it right anyway. Red is going to go to green and white, and then black, the smaller wire, is going to go to brown. So I'm going to splice these in as best as I can, and then I will be back with an update. So I've gone ahead and cut it open. I've spliced in the positive. I just twisted it around with the copper of the original wire here, and then I have them both run into this. This is like a 16 to 18 wire gauge butt splice. And then on this side, you can see I have a heat shrink, which I'm actually going to slide over and heat shrink that together so it's waterproof. Then I'll probably go over that with electrical tape. Okay, so here it is all done. I wrapped some of this around it, but I electrical taped after I heat shrinked. So put heat shrink on both of those wires, and then like I said, I electrical taped everything together after butt splices are put together, and then I started wrapping this loom around it until it ran out of length. Yeah, so we're gonna put it on the actual car now and see if it works. And here we are with the actual LED Audi rings on. It's attached to my fog lights, so you can see if I turn off my fog lights, the Audi emblem will also go away. It'll go back to being chrome. So looks pretty good. I'd highly recommend this, and it's pretty easy to wire in. It's not really too much of an issue. God damn.